Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add gender on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can add your gender to your Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on edit profile. Tap on edit profile. You can see there is an option, gender. My gender is prefer not to say. You can tap on the gender. Now you can choose what gender you are. If you're female, you can choose female or male, or you can custom. I will choose female. After that, you can tap on the upper right corner right here. For the gender, the gender will not shown on your profile, but if you want to people know what's your gender, you can add pronouns. You can tap on pronouns and then you can write your pronouns. You can enter your pronouns. As example, my pronouns is she and her. And also you can choose if you want to show to your followers only or for public. I will show for public so everyone will know that my pronouns is she or her, my gender is female. Now you can tap on the upper right corner here. Now we can go back, refresh the page, and here we go. We can't see the gender, but because we add pronouns on our profile, people who visit our profile will know that our gender is female because there is a pronouns on our bio Instagram or Instagram bio. So that is how to add gender on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!